try to make good to have good impression. All right, go. Yes, go first.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming on our presentation. This presentation is to introduce our project proposal, and our project name is Global Connect. In this project, the client asked us to design a mobile application for the elder people. Let's look at the content first. I will introduce the background and some scope things. After that, Tom will introduce the technical things. This project is from a non-governmental organization called Age Concern, and this organization has 35 branches in New Zealand. It's focused on provide professional support for the elder people who is older than 65. And this man is the sponsor, Roy Lowe, and he works for the Age Concern organization as a Chinese service coordinator at Auckland branch. But recently he got some problem in his daily job. His job is when some Chinese elder people here got some trouble, they will call him, and he provide support or ask some other volunteers to help them. But the number of the Chinese elder people increased rapidly. According to the Age Concern statistic in last year, the number of Chinese elder people has already reached 11,000 who is living in Auckland, and he also need to control. He also need to manage the volunteers from these different churches who can speak the Chinese, but only he and another part-time job employee can do this, and they do all the works manually. They really need. He told us we really need a system to manage the volunteers and the elder people. This is the problem, and in this semester we only have a short time to design a Chinese version application, and in the future they can extend the language. The project scope in this part we list 4 aspects related to the project. So first is the project goals. The client asked us to design a mobile application for Chinese elder people. Also, they need a web application for administrator to manage the data. And the second part is deliverable. We not only we provide the product and documentation. The third part is cost. All the development tools provided by Criteria, so that won't cost some money, but we need to finish all the things within 13 weeks, and everything to be done before the deadline. This is the system scope. At the end of the project, we will provide 2 products and for 3 different kinds of roles. And I list the main function here. The same color means this one can use both mobile application and the website. And this is the main function. This is the function for him. And the volunteer only can update his profile. Deliverables. At the end of the project, we will provide the products as a website like this. This is for the administrator. That's only an example. this page is for the administrator to upload the user's profile, and this is a calendar. The administrator release the information of activities here, and this make they can see the activities more clearly. And we also provide a mobile application. Here, this is the login page, and after the login, they can see the volunteers, other users on this map, and this is the menu. In addition, we also provide documentation such as operation manual for the organization to train the people to use that application, and the developer guys if they want to change the system will need it. And next time, Tom will teach us some.
Hello everyone, I'm Tom. I will introduce the methodology. This time we will use Scrum. We will create the prioritized product background, and during the sprint plan, we will choose a chunk. We will choose a chunk from the top of product backlog, and decide how to implement them. And after this finish, we will choose another chunk from the product backlog and begins working again. For example, maybe we can do the web service, web API, because in order to we can develop the mobile application and web application separately. And this time we use the PHP Storm, Xamarin, Visual Studio, and MyCircle. In the past, we have to build two projects using two different languages. For Android, we have to use Java. For iPhone, we have to use Objective-C or Swift. But this time, we just use Xamarin because that can build a native user interface for iOS, Android, and Windows Phone from a single C# code. And the template design, this time we can use Bootstrap, which is one of the most popular front-end component library. And for the application design, we can use Ajax because we don't want to refresh the whole page every time we submit or retrieve the data from server. And for the PHP language, we want to use the code igniter, which is one of the most powerful PHP MVC framework. And for the database, we will create some views, procedures, triggers, and jobs. For example, for the volunteers, they can apply for the holiday, maybe 2 weeks. So the jobs will run automatically to check the status. So after 2 weeks, the status will change automatically without manually changing it. The reason why we want to use views, the reason why we prefer to use views rather than tables, because if the hackers know the user web page design and the final one is user application page design. That's for the mobile application. So until now, we already done the launch page and the login page and the register page and the map page.